Papel Picado means punched paper. It's a traditional art used in Mexico for many holidays. Today we'll be using paper towels, liquid watercolors, and a pipette or eyedropper. For today's project, we're going to be using a paper towel. It's already folded into quarters. So it's a square, and there's 4 corners, or quarters. And I'm going to keep it folded like that. We're going to use a permanent marker to write our name before we get started. First, we need to learn how to use our eyedropper or pipette. Get your water and you're going to squeeze the bulb on the end, put it in the water, and when you release, it's going to suck up the water into the tube. Practice squeezing so that you can control the water when you put it on your paper towel. Do not squirt anybody. Now we can start adding our liquid watercolors. I have the 3 primaries. I always like to start with my lightest color, yellow. Make sure you're always pointing your pipette at your paper towel. It's a good idea to rinse out your eyedropper each time you change colors. Go ahead and really soak the paper towel. You want the colors to go all the way through all 4 layers. You're going to make a total of 3 designs with your paper towels. You can turn them over and check to see if the color has gone all the way through all 4 layers. If you want it to be a little brighter, add some more water and add some more color. Keep your designs folded up and keep them on your placemat. Then we'll put them on the drying rack. After our papers dry, we can unfold them and see what kind of design we created. Now we're going to carefully and neatly fold them back into those 4 quarters. When you look at these, you'll see that there's one side of the square that has 2 folds and one side that has a single fold. We're going to be cutting on the sides that have folds, not these open edges. you're going to cut small shapes along the folds. Each time you're folding and cutting, make sure you look for the edges that have the folds. You're only cutting on two sides of the square. The double fold and the single fold. Those are the two sides you want to cut along. You only need to cut 3 or 4 shapes along the folded sides. Now we have beautiful abstract and symmetrical designs.